A few moments later.
Market. Ang liit ng... Ay, ayun, may malaki. It's okay like this.
When it's big more, then we start maximum.
Oh.
We need to know what we need to buy.
Yes.
We get another card.
I know you don't need. Ito oh. The gulay will be here. Just only one. Because we don't eat too much. For this one is for caldereta. Caldereta. Ano? No, is there. You pass. You pass the pipino and with chili. 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 Only one.
One? Why?
Tomato. Tomato. Hey girls. Hey girls.
Tomato.
Because I need to buy peanut butter.
Tomato,
To put in.
tomato.
Okay.
This one is, the big one is for grown-ups.
Yeah, for chicken.
No, I can boil this one.
And then?
Sekasin, shakasin.
And then?
Mami. Boil, then drink with sugar.
It's so strong for me. I cannot.
Yeah, for me, I need.
25.
Yeah.
Okay na yan. Move on na sa vegetable.
You done with vegetable?
Yeah.
No, here.
Kamote.
Should be the two types. We're gonna put kamote. Because kamote. Right, and this one becomes so expensive. 38 only this.
Yeah, no need this.
I need it.
For my... For me, I don't like this.
Yeah, I think the people do like 5. At least that's like
Doon din. Yung focusing. Ay, wait lang, wait. Ito na lang. Ay, parang ano na. Ito. Doon ba kay daddy? Kay daddy ka doon.
The next one.
Let's go.
get big. I don't get big one like this. When you boil, I can eat like 3 times. Oh, it's already when you boil, when you cut like this.
Where's the lilay? Huh? Ito. You want buy big? Okay. You are here? Yeah. Norca, dyan ka lang muna kay daddy. I will get peanut butter, ha? Doon, ibigay mo doon kay daddy. No sugar. Skippy, no sugar. Ate, walang maliit nito. Yung half lang. Sige. Sige po. Ito tayo sa may milk. 600. EQ. At the back wala na. Only here. Ito na lang. Ito. Large. You want to eat now?
No.
Mamaya, let's go na. Oh, hold this one. A lot of juice. Yes, I already put. This one is small. It's small. Let's go na. Puntahan mo si Daddy. Wala pa si Daddy.
Dada, this one is girl. This is for boys. Mommy, Dada.
You want egg?
Yeah, we want egg.
Get one.
You and me.
Get one. Okay na yan.
No, for me.
Huh? How about you?
You cannot.
Only her or you want also? Go and get. Come na, go na doon. Dito ka, Basil. Sa meat 6. Ayan na.
How many chicken are you?
Ito na yan. Dito. Ayan, hinatid na nila kuya yung grocery. Dito sa Landmark. Dito kayo ba?
Mommy, there's a chair.
Saan? We will stay here, no? We will wait Daddy. What's the name of that?
Rabbit.
Bunny? Rabbit.
Mommy, you need
Bunny. They practicing what? Taekwondo.
one
You want to do that?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Has a dozer.
But you cannot go inside. Look at them. You want to go there?
Yeah.
When you grow up. No? Tayo while waiting. Daddy is where? In the barber shop. No? Saan tayo pupunta na after this? Saan? We will look for kids playground? Kids playground? Yeah.
What I got.
Where did it come? Yeah, inside the egg.
Yeah. In there. Yeah. Daddy.
Rabbit.
I guess.
What is here? Dito kami sa kids zone. Ayan. Ay. What are you doing? Hey. Na-stress siya. Bakit hindi umaandar? Na-stress na. Wala. You will eat only hamburger.
Huh?
Only hamburger.
Shower.
And you, Basil, what you want to eat?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Okay.
Sit there too.
Sit doon. Sit doon. Pauwi na kami. Anong oras na? 7 na guys. Kasi papasok pa yung tatay niya. So, uwi na kami sa bahay. Tapos na kaming kumain sa Jollibee at nag-grocery. So ngayon guys, ay nandito na tayo sa ating tahanan. At tapos na tayong mag-grocery galing sa Landmark. So ito na yung lahat ng grocery natin galing sa Landmark. And then meron tayo. So, let's see kung ano yung mga pinamili natin sa Landmark. Okay? Unahin natin po. So first, okay na? So first, ito yung egg. Egg. Tapos, ito, meron tayong Coca-Cola. And then, chicken, beef, yeah, 4 bulalo. Okay na ba? Then next natin ay bread. Bread din niya. And then, bread, Marby. And then, olive. Another one. Another mayonnaise. Ano ba ito? Yung, tapos kimchi. Kimchi. Okay na. Next. Nota, you need to film also here. Next, dito tayo sa mga fruits and gulay. Kangkong, 42 pesos. And itong, anong tawag dito? Hindi ko alam to. Pansalad siya. 45 pesos. Kamatis. Tapos saging. Ito lang siya guys kalaki. 166 pesos. Oy, maayos ba yan? Should be straight. Ganyan. And then itong orange nila is 174 pesos. And 109. 109 na to guys. Yung fruits nila. Mahal talaga yung fruits sa kanila. And then next, lemon. 4 na peraso is 161 pesos. Avocado. Oh, 3 peraso. Grabe ang mahal. Grabe ang mahal guys ng avocado nila. 352. Almost 400. Yung avocado nilang 3 peraso. Grabe. Tapos yung papaya is 50 pesos. 57 pesos. And yung kamote is 81 pesos. Ito lang yun guys, 81 pesos. And then, itong apple nila is 195 pesos. Okay, next. Gulay.
Gulay?
Yes, itong carrots nila, 54 pesos. Itong pichay, 27 pesos. Itong cucumber nila is 71 pesos. Dalawa lang. Grabe, super expensive. Tapos ito, okay na, 34 pesos. Lettuce nila guys is 75 pesos. Tapos yung okra is 28 pesos. And 42, 36 pesos, 39. Ayan. Tapos yung mga kamote nila guys is 63, 57. Basta ito yung mga napili namin guys. Ayan. Potato nila ganito kadami, 67 pesos. And then, ano to? Ano tawag dito? Cauliflower nila is 43 pesos. Tapos yung bawang nila na ganito is 28 pesos. Tapos itong ganito kalaking luya or ginger is 38 pesos. Ayan. So yan. Yan yung mga price nila. Ito 36, ito 33. O, diba? Tapos ito pa. Ito yung mga juice nila. Juice, ayan. Fresh milk. Milk. Powder milk. Yogurt. Yogurt ba to? And tomato. Peanut butter. And yogurt. Yogurt, ayan, yogurt. What else? Last. Mga sabon. Ito Pampers. Ito yung buy one take one. Buy one get 40%. Ito. Dami. And sabon. Hala. Asan yung ano? So that's it guys. So I hope na nagustuhan ninyo ang aking video. And then don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in my next video.